Hello, I'm Ronnie Curry for Big Barn News and Talk. Yesterday I did a video of Clay County cruisers. They took part in a parade that's bringing Clay County days back to Clay County, but today it's a little bit different. The cruisers are at Rominger Funeral Home and they're escorting Virgil Bowling. He's one of the cruisers. A great fan of the Clay County Cruisers, a member. He loved old cars. And this is his funeral procession. And the cruisers are here escorting him. That's Virgil's car, I believe, right there. They did that burnout. I'm just going to pan around here so these signs won't be in front of us as they make the turn. Another burnout. Maybe I should have. Oh, what I got? These burnouts. Old Virgil would have loved that one. Love all of them. It's good to see all the oncoming traffic stopping. Most of them are anyway. I believe that's about it. Well, Virgil Bowling, rest in peace, brother. We're gonna miss you.